Hello everyone, I'm Tina Pomgren with Excelling Your Business. Today's tip of the week is if you want to center information over a bunch of columns, there's an easy trick to do that without including spaces in front of this data. So you click into the row that you would like to do. From the Home tab, if you don't have your ribbon open, click on Home and come to Merge and Center. And that will put in the information. I'm going to pin my Home tab open. So that one moved the important dates from the left to the middle. So I'm going to do that with this second row as well. And you want to make sure you do one row at a time, otherwise they will not do it right. It will all merge together and you'll lose your information in the second row. So that's an easy way to merge and center information over columns without adding spaces in front. Thank you and have a great day.